Let's now look at the Oper8 Reminder System. So imagine you've been away from your desk, you come back, you open up Oper8, and boom, immediately you see a series of 3 reminders that have popped up on your screen. And so you can see that if you come in and change what profile you're going to or what you're doing, those are going to stay right on top of the desk because basically they're going to have to be dealt with. Now you can delay them 30 minutes, an hour, a day, or you can send them to pending reminders, or you may want to go ahead and do something about it immediately because here somebody's waiting for an approval on a brochure, here somebody's wanting to make sure this is the version that you wanted them to use, and here's a contract that they wanted to approve. So I'm going to start with the contract, and notice that right now I'm over here under L. Brent Bates, and I click and I'm going to go over to Bates Real Estate. And not only do I go to Bates Real Estate, as you can see in the moniker over here, I actually went to this record. I actually went to the document itself. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to come in and I'm going to go and say, let's see, what version have I got? Well, I've got the latest version, but there are 8 versions of this out here. And so basically what I can do is I can view the document, make any necessary changes, load it back up, and move it on down the road. Or what I can also do is I can come in and I've reviewed it and I can tell the other party approved. All right. So, but I'm going to go ahead and since I've looked at that, I'm going to go ahead and just check this reminder off and it goes away. And I'm going to go back to the next reminder. Oh, is this the version of what you want? So I'm going to click there and I've gone from real estate all the way over to Oper8 Business Systems Inc. And again, I went from a Word document all the way over to a PDF. And so again, I could open this PDF, look at it, say that's the one that I want. Yes, but I'm going to go ahead in the interest of time, just check this one off and then show you again. Now we're going to go from Oper8 and we're going to go all the way back to L. Brent Bates. And here is a trifold that is associated with publisher. And now you've got a whole nother different style of file that we've been created a reminder for. And again, I'll just go ahead and check this one off as well. So as you can see with Oper8, the reminders are a great function. Had I gone ahead and sent a reminder back to somebody, it would have set a timestamp for that. In fact, you can look here and you can see that you can have an access history of when the last time somebody accessed it, and then you also have a running list of all the reminders associated with it, and then you have a revision history of how many times that document has been changed. So very extensive reporting here around the reminder system because it is very important to be able to see who's doing what and when did they do it, and if there is a logjam, who is actually the person that's creating it. Again, the Oper8 Reminder System.